My name is Noel from Alpha Technologies, and today we'll be having a look at the Bose S1 Pro multi-position PA system. We have it, Bose S1 Pro. Right, so included with your Bose S1 Pro is a power cable, your user guide, quick reference guide, as well as a sticker which you stick at the bottom of the speaker, which is your internal battery's quick reference guide. So built into your Bose speaker on the back, you have an internal battery, which on a full charge will allow you 8 hours worth of continuous playback. So as we can see here, we have a built-in 3-channel mixer, of which channel 1 and channel 2 are dedicated Bose ToneMatch channels. And how that works is, if you have an acoustic guitar plugged into channel 1, you simply move the button through to the guitar icon. And if you have a microphone connected to the system as well, you simply move the button through to the microphone, and ToneMatch will provide the necessary equalization for those specific instruments. Channel 1 and channel 2 both come with combo connectors, reverb knobs, bass, treble, and master volume control as well. Channel 3, as we can see, has a hardwire auxiliary input port, as well as a Bluetooth button for your Bluetooth enabled devices. Below that, your power cord input, as well as your switch for on, off, and for battery status. I'd also like to show you something really cool about the S1 Pro, is the different orientations that it offers you. So the first one being the tilt back orientation, and how this benefits an artist is you can simply place the speaker behind the artist, he can do his thing, he can hear himself, and the audience can hear him as well. We also do have the monitor orientation, alright, which acts as a stage monitor, or if the artist is sitting down playing keyboard or standing up and singing, you can have that on stage as well. Now, something that's really nifty as well is the little Bose logo can change with whatever orientation you have on the speaker. And it's very simple to do, it's just the press of a button. Okay. The next orientation we can use the speaker in is called the elevated surface orientation, and as you can see here, designed for mostly vocal presentations where you have a guy presenting in the front of the speaker, he can hear himself through the speaker, and the audience in front of him can hear him as well. Okay, as we can see from here, at the bottom of the speaker, we have a top hat, which is a dedicated place to put a speaker stand should you need to raise the speaker at a certain height during your presentation. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you would like more information on the Bose S1 Pro, please visit our website at www.alpha-tec.co.za. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as click on the bell icon so that you're notified whenever new content is uploaded. Thank you.